Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset your password on Binance application. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your password in Binance, firstly open your Binance application. The official page of Binance will appear on the screen. Click on Login option. Enter your email address or phone number and tap on Next. On the next page, click on Forgot Password option. Tap on Continue. Select the images and tap on Next to verify you are not a robot. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Open and check your email. Enter a verification code sent to your email address and tap on Submit. Now enter your new password. Confirm your new password by re-entering it and then tap on Confirm. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can reset your password on Binance quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.